Yo, today I'm gonna unbox this hair trimmer right here. It's a vector motor. I also got a clipper, which is this one also. So it's a combo somehow. First of all, let's unbox the hair trimmer. So stay tuned, man. All right. So this is it, and it's direct from the factory and got no name. Now I saw that BRD bring it out this one, and I guess they're gonna bring this one out soon also. So stay tuned. Yeah, the model number it's written, it's G27. G27. That's the model number. Okay, it's a vector motor and got 10,000 RPMs, DLC blade. And what else? Turbocharged long life magnetic motor, runs at 10,000 strokes per minute, has over 5,000 cycle and whisper quiet. Okay, and got 5 clicks, 2,500 milliamp battery with 100 minutes runtime. 100 minutes runtime, that's a little bit less, and 180 minutes charging time. That's 100 minutes runtime, that's a little bit less, you know. Okay, what else? And nothing else. So now let's take a look. Okay, and it opens like this, as you can see. So nothing here because it's really direct from the factory. It also comes with a extra faceplate, as you can see. This one is wait a moment. This is the color, first color. Okay. Second color, it's a red one. And I'm gonna compare this hair trimmer with a Stylecraft also. So this is the hair trimmer. Okay. The blade got no logo, as you can see. It's a metal back. Here is metal. So it comes with a charging port, normal charging port, and a USB-C charging, which is really good. So, and I guess you can open this place because it's got screws here, so you can see. Okay. Yo, now inside. Inside comes with the manual. Okay. 4 guide combs. Charging stand. It is a little bit heavy, which is good. It's good, like that. Oil. Comes with 2 cables. One a USB-C and the other one normal charging. Okay. Comes with a blade setter. Okay. And a screwdriver. That's good. So that's it. So to this trimmer, like I said before, it's a USB-C and a normal charging. 2 ways of charging. 2 ways. And the blade. So I have to say, TPOB exo blade fits on it, but you need to remove the bracket of TPOB. You need to remove the cam follower of TPOB and use this cam follower. If you want to change this blade, you need to use this cam follower that comes with this hair trimmer. If not, then it will be too loud, you know. So now let's make a sound check. And it's LCD, got a LCD display also. And here it's written 95. That's 9,500 RPMs till 10,000 RPMs. Okay. So, and can hear, it's really a vector motor. So now I'm gonna unbox this one, and this is the hair clipper from the same company. It's a vector motor also. Got DLC blade, 10,000 RPMs, and yeah, okay. Got 2000 milliamp battery, which is good, and 90 minutes charging time and 120 minutes operating time. It's also better a little bit. Okay, but now let's take a look what it got for us inside. Okay, inside, just like the hair trimmer, also comes like this. Comes with a blue, okay, as you can see. The trimmer didn't come with a blue and yellow, okay. So this is the hair clipper with no logo, nothing. I can easily print my name on it and say this is mine, you know. Well, let's see, maybe I will do. Comes with a click and lever. But first, let's see what it got for us inside. It's exactly the same like the trimmer manual. Okay, comes with a charging dock, also good one, and okay, one magnetic guard. Okay, comes with a 6 guide combs, little brush, oil, and a blade setter with a screwdriver. Comes also with a screw, 2 cables. So this is also a metal back, just like this one. So as you can hear, the sound is not stable. You hear that? So for me, I don't really like this hair trimmer. It's cut good, you know, but I don't know, it's heavier. It doesn't, for me, it doesn't feel good on my hand. So also this one, it doesn't feel good on my hand. You know, I don't like the shape. This one is more heavier than this one. And the sound is not good. And this one, the same, the sound is not good also. You hear that? So I don't know, compared to this one is really much more better. the sound of this W mark is really smooth, compared to this one. It seems like it doesn't have power or something like that, you know. But still, you hear that? At the beginning when I got these two, they were sounding really good. Hear this one now? Does it sound good? And this one, both of them, it's like they lack power compared to this one. I've been using this one for long now. Yeah, this one is good. This one I never use because I don't like the shape, you know. And what I did, I got another one. This one, it's also a vector motor, and I changed the blade because it comes with the same blade like this one, thin cutter blade, but I changed it to this one, and it's good. I have to tell you, to remove the guideline, it's really good with this hair clipper, with these ones. But when you put this guard, 1.5 guard, it doesn't cut. I don't really understand. When you put it on this one, it doesn't cut. And when you put it on this one also, it doesn't cut too, which is bad. You know, this one sounds more better, more power, as you can hear. But 1.5 guard, they don't cut. I don't know why. You know, I got these two also. It's, for me, it's exactly the same like these ones. Just here is a little bit different. That's it. Maybe from a different brand or something like that. So you can see. Wait a moment. They got the same blade. Everything the same. I haven't tried it because I just newly received it. And this one, the same like this one also. Both are the same. Five clicks. Everything the same. Seems like for me they lack power. You know, they are heavy, really heavy. So, and I haven't tried this one also. So these two, I haven't tried them. But for me it's the same like these two. So that's it for the unboxing of this hair clipper and a trimmer. So, peace, man.